Alright. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today, when we're talking about to run Bing ad account, go to Bing.com. We'll bring that account that's gonna have. We're gonna be adding coupon to it. Okay, so when you go to Bing.com, click on advertise at the below, down here. Click on advertise down here, and then click on Microsoft advertisement. Alright. So in this section, what you want to do is click on sign up. I'm going to be using these details. I actually copied this. So I got these details from a friend, one of my boss in this industry, and I created a Yahoo mail for it. And create one. Created a Yahoo mail for it, and let's see the password. First name I'll be naming up last name Chiburi. Okay, so that says I've made for me to verify. Alright, so waiting for it. Verify address. So verify this code. Honest. Create account. Okay. So arrow 5 x6w 5x6w. I believe I got it right. Now I didn't y3 4d. I got it right now. Alright, I did. Okay, so still accurate. Okay, looks good. So now I'm logging in now. Help us protect your account. So you're going to that section, verify your identity. So they'll send the code now, security code now. This one is different from the one that we sent before. Alright, so this is the code. See, this is more. The code here is more than the one before. So copy the code, verify. Alright. So get it now. I just click no thanks because I don't want to install the app. And that's it. Okay, so now legal business name. This business name can be anything, okay? So I'm gonna put still on caps. Temi Empire. I like the word Empire. I don't know why. So business name, I'm going to be selecting phone number, Nigeria, and copying this number. It's one of my numbers that I bought. I'm going to be using solely for this particular reason. And the business location is going to be Nigeria, dollar. Give everything as it is, alright? So to promote this business, so you can choose anyone you want to choose, but then I prefer choosing this. I agree to Microsoft, blah blah blah, and click on create account. Alright, so it's going to take you to the next.
I won't buy me to add money.
To the next So skip campaign creation. Alright, so when it comes to this point, I'm skipping campaign creation. Then go live. Nigeria. Enter business address. Alright. So this business address, the Me Empire, I'm gonna be using this. This C is going to be the new state. State's going to be Lagos. Lagos. Zip. Okay, so you can save. You cannot verify this address, but you enter to the address. This address will be contacted to verify, otherwise please go back to this address. No. Cannot verify this address. Let me pause this. Alright guys, I had to change the address to this and it worked. Man, it's actually frustrating. Okay, so we're going to be adding a promotional offer here. We're going to be adding a billing option, that is our card. Choose select postpay. Make sure you select postpay, select credit card or credit or debit card. Alright, then I'm going to be copying this card number. I think it's 1122. The reason why I'm showing you all these details is because these are just randomly generated, and this is a virtual credit card. So, and I believe you can't use it for Bing or any other thing else, because after I finish using this account, we are deleting the virtual credit card. So, it's another thing 164. 164. Minimum card is what? Deposit. I'm trying to see if this card is will work for the card. Ojodu Becca. Postal code. Alright, so it's postal code here. So okay, so actually successfully added my card and all this kind of stuff. Remind me later. So I want to go to billing. I forgot to add the coupon code. So I'm going to go to billing. This one, blah blah blah. Payment method. View promotional pass. Promotional code. I'm going to copy this code. Alright, so $97 off. I save. Bam. So now my current offer, $97 off. $97 been added. Okay, so if I go back to payment. Okay, so now I have my MasterCard has been added. Postpaid threshold, how you pay. Now I have $50 due. Okay, your monthly billing date. So if amount due costs $50, so 50 plus 97, I think that's around 40 something. Alright, so that's actually kind of how it is. Now I was actually thinking before that after I reached $50, then they removed the $50 from the coupon, but it wasn't so. So it was 140 as 50 plus 97 that I spent. 50 plus 97, please no better. Don't go leave school. So $147. Alright, so you're spending $147 on this stuff. So what you're going to do is you're going to wait. You don't just want to go and start creating the campaign immediately. No, you want to wait for like 4 hours, if possible. Say, give it 1 day. Alright, so after I've created this, I'm not going to be touching this again. I'm going to wait for some time before I'm going to get back to this. Alright, so that's that for that. I mean, in this video here, it's too long already. So see you guys later.